Love them or hate them, TEMU is a force to reckon with in the world of automotive supplies. Have a quick review of a couple of TEMU items. And again, as I've said in the past, you get what you pay for. All right, now TEMU lists a large magnet that looks like it's this big around with a loop on top, and you could tentatively go fishing in a river or something. If you threw it in and you might know telling what you might pull out. Well, this is the magnet. It's about a little over an inch in diameter. Now it does stick very well. I just stuck it on a metal sawhorse. So yeah, it has sticking power. It's a good magnet, but it's not the big one that you might think you're seeing in the TEMU listing. All right, another TEMU item is this. What is this? Well, this is a piece of, it's some sort of fiberglass material, and it's about 15 inches. They advertise this as a Bondo, a large area, a Bondo spreader that will allow you to cover a very large area. Just make a smooth pass. Instead of 4-inch passes at a time to fill in a large panel, you could put the Bondo on and then smooth it out with this. Now, I got this in a package with the other TEMU stuff I'd ordered. I had no idea what this was. I'm like, what the hell is this? So I had to go back and look at the order and see that this is what they're calling a lengthy Bondo spreader. And it will do that. It is very flexible, however, but if you can keep it to the contour you want, it would give you a flatter, more even surface to deal with than it will 4-inch passes with a regular spreader. So I didn't recognize what this was, but it's going to do that job well. One of the best TEMU investments that I've made is this transfer pump. This is a rather large item, as you can see. It has sections of aluminum tubing that connect together, and it goes down in the barrel or the tank, and you crank it. You crank it, and the fuel comes out here. This was inexpensive, and it's going to work well. It does. It works well. The only shortcoming is that this is just a piece of tubing. You really need a longer piece of tubing if you're going to use that sort of pump to fill a kerosene heater. Then you need a longer flexible tube on the end. So that's yet to come. But the thing works well, and it was cheap. So that was a good deal. When you're shopping on TEMU, just remember to be careful and note the size of things. Sometimes you think you're getting a magnet as big as the palm of your hand, and you get something significantly smaller. It's still a good magnet, but I'm not gonna be able to go fishing in a river and pull shopping carts out of the water. All right, see you next time. All right, that's it for the Shade Tree Garage this time. We'll see you next time. Like, subscribe, and we will see you again soon here in the Shade Tree Garage.